Refact AI review. Is this coding assistant legit? So Refact AI is an advanced AI coding assistant that integrates directly into your IDE, like the VS Code, JetBrains, or Visual Studio. It uses retrieval augmented generation, which delivers context-aware code completions, an IDE chat, refactoring tool, documentation generation, and even bug fixes with autonomous coding agents. It supports both cloud and self-hosted installations. So what's good about it is it's highly contextual code suggestions. It uses RAG to reference your entire code base. It even has an IDE chat and AI toolbox, which you can use and ask to explain, debug, refactor, document, or generate code. It also has some privacy and customizations because it supports self-hosting and deployment on-premise. It even offers multimodal strategies. It's built to work with various large language models like ChatGPT. It also has positive ratings. The only problem is it has a steeper learning curve. It also has some potential performance degradation, and the higher price is for enterprises. So in conclusion, is it legit in 2025? Well, absolutely. It's a robust, open-core AI coding assistant with strong ID integration, code-aware features, enterprise flexibility, and privacy-focused deployment. So it's very legit.